right, boys and girls, we're going to count and write to 20. So first of all, we're going to count. All right? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, now I'm going to write to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to do my second row. 11 is a 1 and a 1. 12 is a 1 and a 2. 13 is a 1 and a 3. 14 is a 1 and a 4. 15 is a 1 and a 5. 16 is a 1 and a 6. 17 is a 1 and a 7. 18 is a 1 and a 8. 19 is a 1 and a 9. And then when you make 20, it's a 2 and a 0. All right, boys and girls, what I'd like you to do is I want you to tape yourself and count to 20, and then I want you to write it twice. Once here and once down here. Take a picture and then send it to me. I want to see your beautiful work. And as you saw, I did not go fast when I practiced my numbers, when I was writing them. I was slow and I was in control. All the numbers fit into the boxes perfectly. So make sure your numbers aren't bigger than the boxes. And make sure you're also that your sevens or your numbers aren't backwards. Okay? Maybe have a grown-up look at it before you send it to me so I can see the most beautiful work that you can do. All right, boys and girls, make sure you do your best and then send it to me so I can see.